Welcome back. Today's video is about Accenture Recruitment. These details of the recruitment, you can also find it through the direct link which is provided in the description, or Freshers Now website also will give you the information plus the direct links to apply. And if you want regular job updates, the link is provided in the description box for you to join us directly through Telegram. Don't forget to click on the link and join us directly in Freshers Now channel. Accenture has opened its vacancy for a new associate for a management level. You can check all of the details through this video, or you can also head over to the official website where you can read the details and also apply directly. First, covering up all of the basic details, which is the job description. It is record to report, which is skills required. The designation is going to be a management level new associate. Location of job is going to be in Chennai. Qualifications required from a candidate is BCom, and even freshers are also eligible to apply, or if you have 1 year of experience also you are eligible to apply. So fresh graduates, you are given this opportunity. If you want to work here in Accenture, you can start applying. Next section of this notification or recruitment is about section. Here you can see about Accenture operation, what Accenture is about, or they have given the official website here, so you can check the official website if you want to know about the organization. And here is all of the key details what you have to do after being appointed. You would be aligned with the finance corporations and you will help in determining the financial outcomes by collecting data, reports, and also wish list, conducting analysis and transitions. The record to report team also helps the clients and organizations in operational efficiency and also dealing with various number of data sheets and also the various other reports. And also you should make sure that you are working in a team expertise in journal entries, preparing balance sheets, reviewing entries, preparing cash for forecasting, supporting month, etc. And what they are looking for in a candidate, which is skill set. So the candidate should have a fixed asset accounting, balance sheet reconciliations, account receivable, ledger maintenance, and ability to work quickly. And then you should be able to work in a team, written and verbal communications, commitment to quality, interpersonal skills, etc. The roles and responsibilities are given here in detail, which is you have to be required to solve routine problems, primary interactions are required with your team and also the supervisor. Then you will be given instructions for all of the tasks where you should follow the format, and you should also be working in a basic statistical grounds. Then you have to work closely with the project members as a team member and also deliver the requirements. As an individual, you have to be a contributor to the team, profoundly be focused on the scope of the work. And also please note that this particular post requires a rotational shift. So if you're willing to work, then head over to apply. Now the qualification is BCom, as I've said. So we have come to the end, and if you want to apply, you can start clicking here by apply now button, and then you will be redirected to this page. So if you are already an existing user of Accenture, or if you have a profile in Accenture, you can directly put in your email address and password, and then you can sign in. Or if you are new to this particular organization, then you can sign up. Then you will be further redirected to this page where it needs your email address. Then your code will be sent to your email. Check it, and then you can proceed with that. Put in your first name, last name, which country or region you're belonging to, and then you can continue. Then you will be further headed over for the application process. Finally, after uploading everything, you can submit it. If you have other queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.